Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Devin Bartolotta.
And I'm Sharice Gibson. Officer West said Wednesday destruction was unlike anything he's ever seen. So much was damaged in the city, including at least one church.
Now volunteers from across the southeast are stepping in, removing debris and handing out meals. Amelia Strahan spoke to the church's pastors, who say they're finding strength in their community.
Stairs that once led to an attic now lead to the sky. And trees that once shaded church picnics are coated in insulation after a tornado devastated Slidell Church of Christ on Wednesday.
Oh, the logistics, there's so much debris. What are we going to do about the building? But we help the people, and that makes us very, very happy. It was all piled up right here.
But even as the walls crumble down around him, Minister Courtney Cherry says one thing stands strong.
You still have a huge smile on your face. Where do you kind of get that strength?
Well, from those people out there.
His church family.
It's the people, the church, that's what that word means. We use these buildings to facilitate it.
It was this congregation doing Katrina.
Dwight Jones is part of that family, attending the church for 40 years and raising his children alongside Cherry's.
A lot of young people I have touched their lives, they have touched my life, so it has a lot of sentimental value to it.
He says the community that is serving him now is the same community he served 18 years ago.
This building has been very instrumental in helping the community and giving back to the community, but it's just unfortunate that this happened.
For this congregation, the spirit of loving and serving goes back long before Wednesday's tornado. During Hurricane Katrina, this room was used to house storm victims, and now those victims have a chance to give back.
I was in the Chalmette congregation in St. Bernard, water over the roof. So we were the recipients that time.
On Friday, volunteers recall the kindness and love they felt by the Slidell Church of Christ after Hurricane Katrina, when they opened their pews and their hearts to people in need.
So here it is. We're able to help our brothers and sisters in their time of need.
So where does the church go from here? Cherry doesn't know God's plans, but he knows one thing to be true.
He's stronger than a storm if we believe in him.
In Slidell, Amelia Strahan, WWL Louisiana.
If you're interested in volunteering or donating to the recovery effort, you can visit rebuildslidell.com. And parish officials are also urging residents to report any damage to them at stpgov.org.